I guess this is how it should be. Oh, that's it. Yay! This is how it looks. So guys, this is the new baby. Don't mind me guys. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've been calling this camera DJI. So I have to correct myself. DJI, not G. Well, that's by the way. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed my previous vlog. Yes, thank you guys so much for all your love and support, your comments, your likes and share. So today I'm unboxing this new camera, right? I'm currently filming this with my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I've not been really happy with this camera in terms of the quality on YouTube, but aside from YouTube, the camera, the pictures, the videos are amazing, but once it gets to YouTube, it becomes something else. It's totally different from what it was before it's uploaded to YouTube. So that's by the way. I'm here to unbox this new camera. Let's see what's inside. Just merely looking at the camera, it looks so awesome, very compact. So let us open this up. Yeah. Wow, that is the first. Okay, it's not even, I wasn't doing it the right way. Let us unbox this together. It's sealed properly. I like the fact that it is well sealed properly. Okay, let us see what is inside here. Wow. So the first thing you see is this nicely packed case. Wow. Okay, let's look at the inside first. So when I get new stuff, I don't usually go to the manual first. I want to see what I bought first before opening up the manual. Yeah, most of the times I don't even get to read the manual. I just want to play around it and find my way around how to use it. Okay, let's keep this aside and see what is inside. What's this? Okay. Wow, I just love this bag. Very good impression. Very well packaged. Wow, this is nice. These people intentionally packaged this. Look at how small this camera is. My goodness. Pocket 3, DJI. Yeah. Rotate screen. Wow. I'm yet to see where the where the actual camera is. Wow, you can twist it. Wow, look at that. As soon as I turn this, it just open up. What? You don't want me to touch your face? Look at that. This is nice. Wow. Wow. I don't want to open up the cover yet. Let's see what. Let's see the other stuff. I'll keep this in here first. I guess this is the extra battery, I guess. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to, set out time to read this thing very well. Oh my goodness. I guess this is the tripod. I don't know what this one is. Probably this is a tripod support or so. Okay, yeah. Like extension of your tripod, I guess. Let's see what is in here. What is this one? Wow, this is a main tripod. Very tiny, guys. This is very tiny. Something that fits into a purse. Yeah, it should be tiny. Wow, this is how it goes. It's an extension of the tripod. Whoa, whoa. How does it go? I don't know. Okay, I gotta figure this out. You see what I'm telling you? I hardly read the manual. Okay, I don't have the patience for reading the manual. Okay, I guess this is how it should be. So like this. I'm yet to find out. Okay, let's set this aside for now. We're gonna find out soon. This is the mic, I guess. This is the mic. Very portable. Beautiful. Because this is the charger. And this is the mic cover. Okay. Everything has its own room. Everything has its own room. Let me just dismantle these. My goodness. Yeah. Put it back in this position. Yeah, let's see what is in the other. Let's see what is here. Okay. I think this is a protector. The camera protector. Okay. Wide angle lens. Where is the wide angle lens? Is it this? I'm here to see the wide angle lens then. I'm here to see the lens. There's nothing here. Okay, I've seen the wide angle lens. It's here. Yeah, I think this is where it should be leaving the room for that. Because it said wide angle lens. Yeah. So guys, this is the whole of this camera. Okay, I'm gonna take my time to read and understand the setup and everything, but first good impression, the camera is very compact, very small. It is very small, guys. I guess this is how it should be. Oh, that's it. This is a charger. I guess this is a charger. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Okay, if you want to get it out, you press twice. If you want to get it out and then press again and it comes out. Wow. Yay. This is how it looks. This is the battery and this is the tripod extender probably. But I know for sure that this is the battery and the additional battery. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing with me. Like and subscribe, guys. I'll be reviewing this camera in the future, not now because I haven't used it. But yeah, for now I'm loving what I'm seeing. It is very portable, very handy, easy to vlog with, I guess. Yeah, I can't wait to start, utilizing this too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you all on my next one. Thank you. Bye bye, guys. Bye.